Now for some colourful garden inspiration. So there are a few plants that are always on the top of my list when it comes to fillers in the garden, and when especially I'm looking for some colour. And it has to be the Dianthus Jolt series. There are many of them available, and you'll find them at your local garden centre in bags or in pots. So they're almost semi-established plants, but let me tell you, they are worth every single penny. They flower in these huge clusters. This is one plant over here. That is one plant. These are the pinks, and they've got a little bit of white in them. You get a beautiful one called Rocking Red, which is at the back there. And for me, what's important is that it's got the long flowering period. Also, the stems are very tall. So from a picking point of view, they are fantastic. And they last really long in the vase. They flower in these clusters or crowns, and then as that goes off, you'll notice the second one is about to push through. So all you do is simply just cut it off there, and then the next lot comes through, and it'll go right through as a true perennial in your garden. Keep it well fed, keep it in the full sun or a half day, either way, and it is going to perform for you beyond.